One day on the island of Jan Train Construct, Thomas had to deliver a shipment of bombs. But the retarded signalman forgot to switch the points.
Holy shit! Bruh.
That was a bit odd, said Thomas. The bombs didn't explode. Another speedy train was coming. Thomas got shrapnel in his boiler, but other than that, he felt peachy. His driver, however, was not. In fact, she was a bit cross with Thomas. "I've got shrapnel in my ass," said Thomas's driver. "No more shunting bombs today, Thomas. We'll do that when I feel peachy again." Thomas hooked up to a load of cars. And he was off. Again. What Thomas and his driver didn't know was that a nuclear bomb had also been included in the shipment. The signalman wasn't a dumbass this time, because he died in the explosion.
Behold, my I don't care-inator!